To change the numbers in Microsoft Word to the Eastern Arabic or Hindi visualization, we go to File, then Options, then Language, and we first of all need to make sure that an Arabic language pack is installed. If not, then open the drop-down which says Add Additional Editing Language, select Arabic and click Add. If you've never installed the language pack on your system before, it will show you the words Not Installed, and you will have to click on these words and follow the instructions to install the language pack. Once you have that, you click on the Advanced tab, scroll down to the section called Show Document Content, and open the Numeral drop-down. In case your whole computer system is set to Arabic, you can simply select System, otherwise you will have to select Hindi. Once you confirm everything with OK, the numbers will be shown in the Eastern Arabic format. If I solved your problem, then you could do me a huge favor by subscribing to the Genius Team channel and also liking the video. Thanks a lot, and I see you in the next one. Peace.